inside, it's authentic. You try to stunt, but it's all rented. But sure dope, you got a bad chick, yeah, cool, bro, we all get it. She wears a ring, came through without it. You really think she stays true? I doubt it. Cause I'm fucking your girlfriend, and there's nothing you can do about it.
I'm never scared. Just know I mean it.
Alright, so here's the deal. Whatever gun I get this game, I'm gonna run with it, no matter what it is, unless it's a pistol. Like if it's like a pistol shotty, like the Mozambique, the Wingman, or the RE45, the P20, I'm gonna drop it. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. This is the weird.
We should land there. Looks like fun.
Perfect.
Copy that.
I love this part. Ha!
Attention. First blood.
Not our first worm food, compadres.
Already inside.
See two people
Oh shit.
looting crates down there.
Guys here.
Okay.
He's shooting bows at me.
Hold on, it's coming.
He downed me. He's real low.
Okay.
He's right there. I'm ducking.
Path leads to you. Avoid running.
He's down there.
Got trouble here.
Attention.
He's running towards me. Don't get me, don't get me, don't get me.
Kill confirmed. Gonna add to the list.
Let's pick up my banner. I'm coming. Are you in a gunfight?
Yeah.
Ooh. If need be, you can hop on that balloon. I'm coming
I'm
in.
rushing in.
And your next
Sounds good.
is right here.
I gotta get a gun.
Oh wait, they're gone. Boring assholes.
Alright, I'm rocking Havoc longbow this game.
Oh, what fun. Yeah, I don't know where those guys with these kind of ran off.
Yeah. I found a bow and arrow.
Nice.
There's some ammo in here.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 1.
Okay, yeah, I need heavy and light rounds.
Yeah, I think there's heavy over there. I dropped it.
Hell yeah.
Thanks.
Heavy ammo here.
Yeah, I have a Spitfire and RE45.
What do you
Hey.
think is over here?
Thanks for getting me.
What was it?
I said thanks for getting me.
Oh, no problem. I'm surprised I even lived.
Care package.
'Cause
I
I was
mainly wanted
hoping
to-
I could.
I mainly wanted to take the balloon so I could see the air and see everybody around
Right.
here.
Oh,
I think that was a smart play.
I don't know where those assholes went. Oh yeah, you can get your stuff back. If you had anything.
Bad dudes over there.
Shit.
We've got trouble.
I see him.
Hostile spotted.
Oh. There's one up there.
Here.
All right, I'm going. I'm on the other side.
Alright, I'm going too.
Throwing jump pad.
Flanked, motherfucker.
Down.
Fire in the hole.
That's me.
Fire in the hole. Rockstar.
Did you kill him?
This other guy yet either.
Half the squad remain.
Oh shit.
On you?
They spotted me. I'm
Yeah.
taking shots.
Where at?
He's dead. Got him.
That was
You
only
got him?
one. Nice
Nice.
work.
Yes, sirree.
Patching myself up.
Alright, I'm coming down.
Alright, come on. What you homies got? Ooh. I'll happily take your stuff. Hell yeah. That went awesome.
Healing up.
I am on
Eyes
a
are
roll
open
this
now.
game.
I need health.
Yeah, I'm starting to realize how much I like playing Wraith. She's so aggressive and I love it. 'Cause I managed to flank that guy and he didn't even see me. I'm getting better with her abilities.
Yeah, I used this guy's jump pad to hop up behind that one guy. That's why I started throwing nades down.
Yeah. Well, I had already downed him.
Yeah, I know. But you said on you, so I was like, alright, bet. I see a box right here.
Death box here.
Oh yeah, these are the guys I killed before.
Yeah. That works. Man, I got so much off that one guy. Hey, heal up.
I don't have any health.
Oh, really? Here.
Eh.
Here's a big med kit. Wait, actually.
Oh, you want that back?
No,
Take.
yeah, I'll take big med kit, cause actually I'll drop, you can have all those.
Healing up. Eyes are open now.
Mm.
Yo, replicators.
Oh
coming
shit,
in through
circle's
landing.
coming, I think.
Stopped.
Oh, did it? Okay.
You healed up, right? Yeah. Yeah,
E.
you did. Cool.
Myself up.
I like the Spitfire. That's the gun I've been using and I've been getting some kills.
Good. I'm scratching my head real quick.
Nice.
Oh wow, I didn't realize it fell off right here.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go up here and see what I can see.
I hear gunshots. Over there.
Hostile. Enemy spotted.
See him. I'm gonna take some shots. Hit 60. There's 4 of them over there. You can see them all.
Yeah.
I got 1 shot left in this round. Damn, I gotta reload. Alright, so what's the plan?
I can put a rift down here where I'm standing, and I can run down there and you can teleport down there and we can wreck them.
This is gonna be a dumb idea.
It's gonna be awesome, just trust me.
Here, take. Oh, I was gonna say take the jump pad, but okay.
Oh, that would have been really smart. Alright, it's down.
The portal.
Same distance if I jumped, but that works.
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Firing.
Oh, down, we'll go down.
I'm down. Making contact with enemy.
Oh, I'm down.
My fucking gun wouldn't shoot. Jesus Christ.
Damn.
It
When I
took a
got
second
up there-
before it started to shoot.
Yeah, when I got up there, one guy was running around, I started shooting him, but there was a guy crouched in a dark corner I didn't see.